Do you have an error with the Outlook Change Notifier add-in DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get iCloud working again. To kick off the Outlook Change Notifier add-in guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Outlook Change Notifier add-in, the iCloud Outlook Change Notifier add-in. It manages the localized, unmanaged, localized synchronization of localized iCloud contacts and localized calendars with Microsoft Outlook. It facilitates the localized localized push notifications for localized mail data. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file within Apple/iCloud. Reinstall Apple/iCloud's official package to restore Outlook Change Notifier add-in DLL automatically. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Outlook Change Notifier add-in file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Outlook Change Notifier add-in DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Outlook Change Notifier add-in. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Outlook Change Notifier add-in dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.